2, 3, 4, 5.
That's exactly the kind of shallow, trivial response I expect from someone squandering time on social media instead of engaging in anything worthwhile.
Okay, I'm sorry. All right, I've got a funny little app here. It essentially keeps me on task. So if I spend more than X amount of time on a social media platform, it will yell at me. So maybe I'm checking my DMs, that's totally fine. But if I get sort of carried away, it'll say, hey, what are you doing? So this is a very simple workflow. I essentially just bring in a frame every 10 seconds. I send the last 30 seconds into my LLM, so that's just 3 frames. The LLM is simply prompted to, if it sees me on a social media platform, return true. So I'm just checking if the LLM returns true, we start this ticker. This ticker will count to 5. If it gets to 5, it will send. I have a little portal here, so we'll go to the start of this portal. It does 2 things. 1, it starts a run trigger on my conversational LLM, and 2, it opens up this gate, so now my audio can flow through so I can actually talk to the thing. So first it'll scold me. That's what the initial run trigger will do, and then I'll be able to continue talking to it. So let's try this thing out. So it sees me on social media, and it should start yelling at me pretty soon here. Okay, this is going to turn true. Okay, it's going to count to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's exactly the kind of shallow, trivial response I expect from someone squandering time on social media instead of engaging in anything worthwhile.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't fix the fact that you let yourself fall into this lazy, time wasting trap. If you want to see any real change, stop apologizing and start behaving like you actually care about your life. Enough with the weak apologies, it's time to get serious.
Wow. Okay, well, let me pause that. Fun little demo. I think there's a lot of cool computer use slash sort of screen companion use cases you can build with this premise in mind. So some idea of it watching your screen, you can talk to it, you can do tool calls and states and logic nodes with this. So pretty fun little demo. Cheers.